What is going on, everybody? Thank you so much for tuning in. My name is John. Today I have for you a big box good. That's right, today we're going to be taking a look at the men's Nike Downshifter 10 running shoes I picked up at Dick's Sporting Goods for $59.99. Out of 5 stars, they get none. Out of 0 customer reviews. That's because these shoes are brand new, basically. I did the Nike Downshifter 9 about 6 or 7 months ago. That video received a pretty positive reception, so I figured I would follow up and do the Downshifter 10. I actually went into Dick's Sporting Goods the other day to see what they had and came across the Downshifter 10. So yeah, they come in 3 different colors, this sort of black gray color, this gray neon, and a gray blue color scheme. That's called Platinum Blue. I have them in front of me here today, the Platinum Gray. They're kind of blue. You'll see what I'm talking about. They have a little bit of blue in them, and they have a blue sole. Like I said, they were $59.99. The Downshifter 9 were not terribly expensive to begin with, and the Downshifter 10 pretty much follows suit, but you do get some pretty nice upgrades. These shoes do run in between sizes 6 and 15. They come in a shoe width of medium D and extra wide 4E. And last but not least, Dick's Sporting Goods is available for curbside pickup. So if you don't want to go into the store for whatever reason, I completely understand. You can definitely pick these up using curbside pickup. I've taken some notes on the Downshifter running shoe, the 10, and I'm going to share them with you today. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the box. So as with any Nike box here, you get the size of the shoe on the side. As you can see, I went with a size 11. Unfortunately, I had to get the display unit because that was the only 11 on sale, was the display unit. You get this beautiful orange Nike box that we've come to know and love. Let's go ahead and check out the shoes. So if we just open up the box here, we can pretty much see that we get our Nike Downshifter 10 at the top waiting for us there. We'll go ahead and pull them out of their box here, and we'll go ahead and lay the shoes down on the counter. Now you can see what I'm talking about with that blue color scheme here. This is actually platinum. It does have a bit of a sheen to it, so yeah, I guess it would be platinum. And of course you get blue, which I like. When I first reviewed the Nike Downshifter 9, I had no idea the video would receive such a positive reception, and that's actually with a lot of my YouTube videos. That video has over 16,000 views. First, I want to say thank you for watching and supporting this channel. That video earned me 14 new subscribers, and more importantly, thank you for being patient as I get better at making videos. With about 6 months more experience under my belt, I am happy today to be reviewing the Downshifter 10. Also, it's only fair to those 14 new subscribers that I follow up with them. Certainly by now, the Downshifter 9 must be worn out and ready to be replaced. So yes, I did pick these up from Dick's Sporting Goods, where they're available in 3 different colors: black, white, gray, gray Volt, and platinum white, which I think are the best looking colorway of the bunch. And then we have green Volt, which pretty much look like this here. I've got them up on the iPad. While I'm at it, I'll show you the black, white, gray. And then of course we have our platinum white with a little bit of blue in them, which I really like. So in making this review, I figured it would be easier to just compare them to the Downshifter 9. For starters, the tread on the bottom of the shoe is an entirely different design. The contact points are this sort of, you know, rectangular look, and they're pretty consistent across the bottom of the shoe, which is a little bit different from the Downshifter 9, which were sort of a combination of like squares and these little round nodules. And of course, they were contoured just like the Downshifter 10, so that is good to know that you're not really going to be giving up any efficiency during your jog if you upgrade from the Downshifter 9 to the Downshifter 10. Because the Downshifter 10 utilize all rectangular nodules as tread, are they better for trail running or running on pavement, or both? Or were the Downshifter 9 more suitable for a certain time and place? If you jog with these on the pavement or a trail, you should be pretty much good to go, though I would probably recommend jogging on the treadmill or maybe on the pavement with these shoes. Now, I specifically chose the Downshifter 10 in Platinum White because they contrast nicely with the blue on the side of the shoe. This makes it easier to understand the design characteristic, especially through video, and I think you guys can pretty much see that there. You get this blue sort of oblong shape here with the Nike check in the middle, which is really nice. Very similar in style, again, to the Downshifter 9, though this one is slightly different. You do get that mesh on the front of the shoe, and then you get sort of a textile fabric at the back of the shoe, just like the Downshifter 9 running on the back with a Nike check on it. The Downshifter 9 used to say Nike running on the side of the shoe. There's also a logo sort of imprinted into the side of the shoe. I think you guys can see that. Impact resistant at the back of the shoe where your heel impacts the ground is now contoured and better defined, looking more like a spring than just simply a sole. Eat my dust, right? We get Nike running on the back of the shoe, which is pretty cool. There is a contrasting toe stomp. You do get an extra lace hole, and of course, plenty of style and character. So part of the reason why I believe the Downshifter 10 is more modern and mature looking than the Downshifter 9 is, if you actually take a look at the back of the shoe there, it looks like a spring, which the Downshifter 9 was kind of just a chunk of sole, which was a little bit unfortunate, which, you know, they were still good for running, but these just look a little bit more efficient. They have a little bit more character. And overall, I think just look a little bit more modern. That was a quick unboxing and first impressions and an overview. I hope you guys enjoyed this first impressions and quick look. The Nike men's Downshifter 10 running shoe are a big box good because I picked them up at Dick's Sporting Goods. Depending on wherever you pick them up is whatever kind of good they are. If you decide to pick these up online and have them ordered to your house, I guess that would make them a convenience good. But if you decide to pick them up at the store, just like I did, that would make them a big box good. Anyways, guys, the men's Nike Downshifter 10 get 0 out of 0 stars. They get 0 customer reviews. That's okay. I think these are pretty much brand new. They're a really nice, stylish pair of running shoes. If you want to see more content like this, hit that like button, subscribe. Thank you so much for tuning in. Once again, my name is John. I will see you in the next one.